Today, I'm going to show you how to create some amazing advertising content for your business, literally with the click of a button. Now, the Intellect AI tool gives you so many different options to choose from, and it's all based around social media and advertising. As you can see, you've got Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, basically any social media outlet you can think of. Now you can use it very specifically, or you can use it generically, dependent on what social media outlet you are looking at advertising in. There are so many different options. But if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see grey coloured boxes. Now these are our advertising boxes. So today we're going to do something called an AIDA post, which is an advertisement based on a specific formula where we're looking at promoting awareness, creating interest, finding a desire, and then asking for action. So as you will see, this is our little Facebook advertising template that we can use. So the first question is, what is your product? Now today our product will be, let's do vegan protein powder. Now next, you need to choose your target audience. Let's go for busy mums who have an allergy to dairy products. Now we're going to click on the green generate button on the left hand side, and you'll see on the right hand side you'll see stand by, let the magic begin, and it's going to generate us 10 new adverts. Now while this works in the background, it'll be picking up specific information through artificial intelligence and what busy mums who have an allergy to dairy may be looking for when choosing a protein powder. Now once it's finished populating, you'll get a sheet that will look a little bit different to this, but with the same information. Now you can scroll through this and choose the adverts that you like the most. You can either copy them and post them straight into a Facebook advert, or you can save them to work with later on. So for example, this is our first advert. It gives us a headline, vegan protein powder for nursing mums. It also provides us with hashtags, which are really relevant to Facebook or Instagram, and mums that are searching those particular terms. You will also get an image recommendation of a potential image that you could use, and that's just one advert. You'll see, attention nursing mums, are you looking for a protein powder that is safe for you and your baby? Our vegan protein powder is perfect for you. Get the nutrients for your body needs to stay healthy and strong while breastfeeding. Order now and experience the difference. Then you've got your strong hashtags there. So within a couple of seconds, you've got a whole bunch of adverts that you can choose from. Now you can either copy it in Word format, or you can copy it in plain text. Or you can save it to use and view again later on. Also, if you're not quite sure and you think you may want to try some alternative advertising, you can just push the green button at the top and it will generate you a whole new set of advertisements. Otherwise, you can expand on your original search and add a tone of voice. For example, we want to create this advert now with some humor. And Intellect will generate you a completely different set of advertisements from the ones you've seen, but now with a more light-hearted tone. You'll see them generating there. So there it is, guys. That's one example of how to do a Facebook advertisement. Hopefully this helps. Get on board, join the AI revolution. It's going to change small businesses for good.